Going through some woods in Standish on the lookout for an old World War II munitions depot. I think it's over on the right somewhere over there. So I can just see one small building just ahead of us there. Go and have a look, see if there's anything worth exploring with the Avata 2 drone. Pretty dark in here. Just tried to fly around that building, but not much success. The darkness inside the building with no windows meant that I had no ambient light at all, even with a little torch mounted on the Avata. So it really struggled, and it was just bouncing up and down and trying to land. So it was a bit of a struggle just to get it out. But here we have another building. Or there was 9 buildings in total in this area. So we found 3 so far, including the initial one with the satellite dish on it. Very muddy here. Obviously over time, after not being used, nature takes over. Yeah, I think this bit here is coming onto there's a trading estate nearby, Bradley Trading Estate. I think that's the name of it. So I think this just might be leading to there, rather than more of the munitions section. Yeah, don't think there's anything more that way. So there's not going to be much drone flying in this video, I don't think, due to the design of the buildings with no, just completely solid concrete walls, no windows. It's not a good environment for the drone, as I'm sure you'll appreciate. One 0 to Wigan. These were probably roadways for the vehicles transporting stuff around the site, but certainly not navigable for me today. Here we have another building. Well, this is a bit better in terms of a bit more light because of that. Been knocked open. So it's right near a housing estate, as you can see there. So not exactly top secret anymore, but it is certainly well hidden in the woodlands. Trying to head back from whence we came. Yeah, I suspect there's possibly another building up that way, but as I say, this here completely waterlogged.